Cook good and look good. What's up? It's your girl Queen Jones, back live in the flesh. And yes, those are crabs in a barrel. But anyway, I teach you how to cook good and look good all in the low. I know you guys are just cinching to know what I be doing in the grocery store. As a up and coming chef, you know I be in there like swimwear, okay? Trying to get everything that I can, man, okay? I am who I am, man, okay? That is what it is, kid. I'm a veteran in the game, 10 years plus, and I love to show you exactly what I do to make sure I am budget friendly and consumer friendly. It's inflation, okay? And I'm going to teach you how to make a grocery list the right way, y'all. Trust me, it's gonna be helpful. You're gonna start riveting out the aisles of the grocery store. So produce, dry goods, canned goods. You're gonna have frozen dairy. You can also put meat in that section. Snacks. It's just because I didn't need no meat. For produce, I get everything that I normally need to restock. So mangoes, bananas. I need to always make sure when I go to the grocery store, I have some type of garlic, possibility of the Holy Trinity, because that's what I use to flavor all my dinners, lunches, you know the vibes. Make sure you have a good variety of produce on stock. The tip that I would give you, if you are shopping in store, go to the front of the store and take out that ad that is straight by the grocery cart area. That's going to be a game changer. So that way you can know exactly what's on sale at the store. And if you are online shopping, make sure you are checking the discounts and the coupons that you are able to use depending on that site. Okay, and first time users always get the hookup. So as you can see, I added berries and cherries. That's just what usually is on sale in my area. For the dry goods, I really think that it's a great idea for you to flesh out your necessities. You always need flour, some type of flour. You always need some type of canned fish. If you ain't got those type of things and you're vegan, you still need some type of flour. You need yourself some type of protein. That's all in the dry goods area or the canned goods area. Now, I think I spelled this wrong, but Dave's Killer Bread, that's my favorite bread because it's a high-packed nutritional bread that gives you a lot of calories and protein. Then Tension Tamer by Celestial Seasonings. Like I say, I love Celestial Seasonings, like big girls love chocolate cake. It's one of those places that if it was a land or like world, I would go, but it's a drink, so I make sure I consume it. The chamomile tea I use to calm my nerves down. Potential Tamer is the tea that I use to make sure my whole body is relaxed. It's like having pain medicine that actually tastes good. Mullein is because I consume a lot of other herbs and I like to make sure my lungs is clear and whatnot. Kosher salt is a commonly used salt by chefs, and if you know that you have a seasoning that you need to use, that you have in your cabinet all the time, trust me, go ahead and put this on that list. It's great for the dry goods and canned area because it's going to be in that same section or a couple aisles over. The frozen and dairy area is essentially because of my smoothies. I don't really be having a whole bunch of dairy, but I like to have myself definitely some frozen berry blends. I love to have myself some butter, popsicles, anything that could be in this area. I make sure I just write it all down because I know I'm gonna be up in there, getting them things every time. Dry mango is a snack, which if you're working on a budget, snacks should be at the very bottom. I have food stamps, so I should be able to get all this, but I'm just keeping a $1.50 with you. If you are looking at your budget, just make sure you get what you really need before you get anything else. What I like to do after this is just check through the list and make sure I add anything else that I need. Like, what's the point of going grocery shopping and not getting everything that you need? Now, don't get too big-eyed and start shopping and not get what's on your list. Now, that's a key thing. I, on the other hand, have a real good clutched habit of eating what I buy, so I don't really have that problem. Okay, so add everything and look it over, check it twice, just like you Santa Claus and whatnot. And that's how you make a grocery list the right way.
Check two, 2, 1, 2.